When most people think of champion eaters in the snake world, the Burmese python comes to mind. But a new study published in the Journal of Zoology points to a far less celebrated contender. A slender, 3-foot African snake called the Gans egg-eating snake, known scientifically as Dasypeltis gansi. Biologist Bruce Jayne at the University of Cincinnati found that when body size is taken into account, this modest little snake can consume eggs proportionally more than double what a Burmese python of similar weight could manage. Jayne put it plainly: they probably would hold the Guinness World Record. The secret is anatomy. The Gans egg-eater has extraordinarily stretchy skin between its lower jaw bones, allowing it to swallow eggs 3 to 4 times larger than a generalist snake its size could handle. Once the egg is down, the snake contorts its spine to crack the shell, absorbs the contents, and regurgitates the empty shell. Evolution shaped this animal for one purpose: eggs. It has a soft mouth and almost no teeth, perfectly suited for gripping smooth shells without damaging them. And when threatened, this otherwise harmless snake puts on a convincing bluff, mimicking venomous, saw-scaled vipers by flattening its head and hissing loudly by rubbing its scales together. As Jayne describes it, they are toothless wonders. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.